Selling grips the entire market complex through Friday, continuing that risk-off sentiment. Economic reports continue to be mixed. Traders are now cautious as states like Texas are pausing their reopening. Texas, one of the biggest driving states in the country, also has energy bears starting to lick their chops as the pausing in the reopening is likely to hurt energy demand. The U.S. dollar by the end of the week is going to once again become a safe haven where it was acting a little deflationary at the beginning of the week. It erased those midweek losses early on Thursday and looked to almost make limited gains by Friday. Over in the grain complex, that is going to end lower. When you look at the charts on the weekly basis, corn actually had the biggest drops, but on Friday, wheat was definitely the biggest leader to the downside. Now, China was back into the market on Friday buying U.S. soybeans. Unknown destinations bought a large amount of sorghum for both the current and next marketing year, though many analysts do expect that to be China. Weather story is still trying to develop here for the corn and for the soybeans. As we start to look out to the beginning week of July in the first couple days, it looks like it will be dry. We'll see if that holds through and if that starts to bring and encourage these weather bulls back into the market. We'll see December new crop corn futures on the week fall 21.25 cents, or about 6.15%. We'll see the November new crop soybeans on the week settle 10.25 lower, down about 1.2%. July Kansas City wheat futures will be down 8.25 or 1.93%, and July Chicago wheat futures on the week will be down 7.25 or 1.5%. In the livestock complex, June live cattle will be the only green on the screen going into the Friday close. Lean hogs were the leader to the downside following that quarterly hogs and pig report out late Thursday after the close. That showed that the U.S. hog inventory up about 5% at 79.6 million head. Now, the interesting dynamic to watch going forward will be the live cattle lean hog spread. The August now staying around $48. Will that limit live cattle gains, or can live cattle break away from the lean hogs if they continue to move lower? We'll see the August live cattle on the week up 62 cents, or about 0.7%. August feeder cattle almost flat on the week, only gaining a nickel by Friday. And August lean hogs are down 4.67 or 8.85% on the close on Friday. That's a check here of your closing markets on this Friday, June the 26th. I'm Clay Patton. Have a great weekend. We'll see you next week. It'll be a shortened trading week given the 4th of July holiday.